you. Good to see you.
Hey, cousins. Good to see you as well. I miss you.
Ditto. I'm so excited to see you guys. I didn't realize how much I miss you until I see you right now.
Well, I'm really hating that we're not able to have the family reunion in Atlanta this year, especially if, I live here in Atlanta. We were really excited about it, but COVID, what can you do? Better safe than sorry. Family first.
Yeah, I agree. It's the one time of the year that I really look forward to everyone coming together. We always have a good time at the reunion. So I'm pretty bummed. Safety first, but yeah, I'm pretty bummed that we didn't get a chance to hook up. Hey, Valencia, did you hear about the virtual reunion?
Yeah, I heard about the virtual reunion, August 8th, right?
That's right, at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It seems like it's going to be so much fun. There's going to be music and activities, and I just can't wait to see all of the surprises that's going to be there.
I can't wait either. I've told my mom, my cousins, everybody I can think of. I'm like, you don't want to miss it. It's going to be a blast.
It's going to be on Zoom, right?
Yes, it's going to be on Zoom, but registration is required, and there is a deadline, August the 3rd. So make sure as you share with your family members that they register no later than August the 3rd.
And where can I go? Is it on the UnitedMartinFamilies.org website?
It is. You can register for the United Martin Family Reunion 2020 virtual session on the website. Again, it's UnitedMartinFamilies.org.
Got it.
See you ladies there.
All right, I'll see you there.
So Detroit, ATL, where you're at.
ATL.
Right here. Represent Detroit and Atlanta. Come on. Come through.
Okay, see you guys later.
See you later. Bye.
Bye. See you
Bye.
August 8th.